In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join an airdrop from Binance using the Launchpool feature. This process is a fantastic way to earn rewards by staking your tokens, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to start making the most of it. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Binance app and log into your account. This ensures you have access to all the features necessary for joining the launch pool. Once you're logged in and ready to go, the next step will be to look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the More option. Under this menu, you'll find a list of various services and tools that Binance offers. Scroll and find Launchpool and tap on it. Now you've entered the Launchpool section, which displays a list of active projects. These projects are essentially opportunities for you to participate by staking your tokens. Here you'll want to browse through them and choose one that appeals to you. After you've selected a project that you're interested in, go ahead and tap on subscribe. This will begin the process of staking your tokens in whatever project you've chosen. Next, it's time to choose the token you'd like to stake. Binance supports a variety of tokens within the launch pool, with common options including Binance Coin, BNB, and FDUSD. You'll need to select one of these tokens, LSE, or another if available, based on what you have in your portfolio and what you are comfortable staking. Once you've decided on the token, enter the amount that you wish to stake. Then you'll see an option to agree to the service agreement. Make sure you read this carefully to understand the terms involved. After agreeing to the terms, tap confirm to finalize the transaction, and just like that, you're set to start earning rewards. Now that your tokens are staked, you have two ways to collect your rewards. You can either tap the collect rewards button anytime from here on out, which allows you to manually receive the rewards your staked tokens have earned. Alternatively, you can wait for the auto distribution, which will handle everything for you automatically. Both options are convenient, so it comes down to your personal preference. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily join an airdrop from Binance's launch pool, potentially maximizing your crypto holdings over time. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to explore new ventures within the Binance ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.